how to add a chat box to Shopify Store. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a chat box to your Shopify Store. It is going to be very easy and very simple. We're going to head over our Shopify Store and then we're going to sign in into the admin dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going to click on the search bar and type in chat box. And we're going to normally find the chat box on the apps. So we are going to have here the chat box. You can go ahead and visit up the marketplace of your Shopify store. So we're going to have the Chatway, as you can see, the Bogus, the IO, the Intercom chat box, Embed, and etc. So you can go ahead and select one of these. Also, you can integrate the chat box of the let's say the WhatsApp and etc. So I can go ahead and head over here, click on install, and then you're going to find that it is going to be set up in here. So it is going to go straight to your inboxes and it is going to solve the problems right there. So you're going to have the customer support, the cart orders and data and etc. So you're going to basically click on install and then you're going to integrate it into your store. That is going to be the first thing. I'm going to pin it to our navigation so we're not going to lose the sight of it. So you can go ahead and have the name of you in here. So you are going to have the password, set up the specific, let's say here, the options. For example, I'm going to have the e-commerce one. So just me, I'm going to click on get started, create here a profile into this specific area. So it is going to be something like that. This is going to be the online and the offline. You can go ahead and have, for example, some greeting colors, and then you're going to have the header, the bubble, then you're going to have everything set up. So the FAQs, you can add some FAQs. Here you can add a contact form, for example, chat button. I can go ahead and add messenger and etc. So you can have here add some power-ups. I'm not going to be having any power-ups. So click on here and then we are going to use the free version. So this is going to be very good. I'm going to skip in here everything. So we are going to complete the setup. It is going to take us to the Shopify normally admin dashboard or the store. We are going to activate that and we are going to click on save. We're going to find it normally in this area. So I'm going to allow the cookies. This is the chat box. Boom. So we are going to have everything set up in here. You are going to receive the messages right away and it is going to show up in here. So this is, as you can see here, this is notification. This is our first message and boom. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you in the next one.